What's up, guys? This is gonna be, I think, like our official first YouTube video. My wife's right there. We got the Elantra N right here. We got the Elantra N over there, and we have a big upgrade we're gonna do. The car's already on bags. I think we did miss a lot. Let me show you guys. We new to this 2025 Elantra N on raise 19s bagged AirTech, and then we have my car, which is a 2020 Elantra N on air as well. You guys can see that. But let's get into whatever we're gonna do today. We finally got okay, so realistically we got the wing from Alibaba, but it is the same adro wing from B2. We'll show you guys how to do the install, because I've seen 0 videos of this, so I'm about to show you guys. We're about to open it right now. We're about to start right now. About to do the packaging. We got it actually today. We ordered it exactly like 20 days ago, right? 21 days ago. I'm not talking to myself. My wife's right here. Show you guys. This is our first time opening it. Oh my goodness. I am insanely shook. This is the V1 from Adro. These are the same places they ordered it from. 3 of us ordered it. I'm gonna lay it on the ground. So. Alright, guys. I know it looks a little bit sussy, but still. Right there. I love how they layered it with so many pieces. I'm just being super. Alright, we're still going. I'm being super careful. I saw this one comment from, I saw this one video that he got the Adro View 2, and he was trying to say that Alibaba was like trash. Like, bro, it's the exact same stuff that you guys are buying from the big brands. Like SoCal Garage, you guys were buying this whole time. This is why you guys take forever to get it. Stop getting scammed, bro. Out. Pretty sure it's like the end plates. Put it right here. Almost there, guys. Another end plates. We start getting to the carbon. Oh my goodness. You guys can see I'm insanely hyped right now. We're almost getting there.
Why'd you pee yourself?
Oh, I was watering the plants, okay? This is how it comes, guys, so you guys can see. I'm pretty sure you do have to make your own custom brackets, which I went to Home Depot to get some sheet metal. Guys, we're about to do a little side, whatever you guys. Size reference. Look at that, bro. I love. Now stay there, bro. Get it from the side.
Oh, there's a mosquito. What?
I love how I love the stock wing, but honestly it looks 3D printed, and this is just more smooth.
We're gonna stack them?
Right now we still need to add the end plates. Yeah. Alright, guys, I got my wife here. Let me not step on it. About to take off the end plates. We're gonna install them right now. There's no videos out there with the Alibaba wing. This is the wing right here. Go ahead and spend $1,000 on Adro, but it's the exact same wing. Just that the bolts say Adro. Look at this, 100% carbon fiber. Look at my lights. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. My old girl looks mad. Ooh, ooh. Ooh.
Yeah.
Well, while she's opening that, I'm gonna show you guys around the end. Whoa, this is her car right here. Show you guys the setup. Boom, everything's tucked. She's running the exact same setup as me. Just that mine's in the up here, hers is right there. We still need a little bit smaller tires because these are 19s. And then I'm gonna show you guys your steering wheel. This is our favorite part. Eee. Just collecting them. Right, babe? So I do tints too. So you guys know, I do tints. We just got our crib right now. We just got our crib, so we're at the end house right now. It's absolutely beautiful. 35 in the front and 15 and 5% all the way back. I'm running 5, 0, and 15 in the front. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys. So obviously, do this at your own risk. We don't know what we're doing either. We're starting to take it off the clips first. And I'm gonna start putting on the end plates. All right, guys, this is what comes in there. This is the hardware that we're gonna be using. And my girl took off the cover while we were talking. Oh, it's not as bad as I assumed it was gonna be. Yeah, I have everything there. All right, guys, we're kind of stuck because there's really no YouTube videos of how to do it. So we'll be back. Guys, so we figured out, we take these off and then we take this little gum piece off and then do that. All right, guys, it's getting super cloudy here because we live by the lake. Or foggy. You do have to take off like the little top piece. We are using rags. Put some masks just in case it falls off. We have to push that out so this could come off. All right, guys, it was an insane hassle. So it was this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's another one that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you should, gonna pry it off. We have some plastic ones. You pry it off from there. And then my wife's already taking the bolts off. All right, guys, we're almost there. We finally got it. We got this dumb wing off. We had to use, because we stripped once, we had to do these. But finally got it off. We had to remove that, and I'm gonna make my own brackets. So there is like insane about the little, these screws right here, Phillips screws. They're gonna be all here. Remove those, put them right here, and then you're gonna remove that, and then you could finally remove this, and yeah, just do that, and then you can just put it back on. Oh wait, not yet, because we have to do the frame. All right, guys, I got the 3 metal sheets on. It's actually insanely sturdy. So just do this at your own risk. Yeah, go ahead and hate, but hey, this works, bro. All right, guys, the wing is on. You just have to put on all the screws back. It's insanely sturdy. You guys can go ahead and clown, but it's recommended. Put all the clips back. It's like nothing happened. It's insanely strong. And let's install it. All right, guys, and that's the finished product right there. It's hella foggy outside. Show you guys the wing. This looks weird because it's foggy.